They say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
What is going on, my mighty fine people, on a Saturday? Thank you for everybody for joining the Money Squad, new and old. Thank you for following my hashtag brick by brick. If you don't want to hear my shout outs, I put a timestamp. You can kindly, politely fast forward it to the review of the shoes. So shout out to Juggernaut and Soul for winning Who Has the Heat Season 2. Shout out to Feetz for giving him one heck of a battle. No shame in that. Who Has the 3? Not Who Has the 3. Who Has the Heat 3 on the way. Gonna post that up on Monday on IG so people can know who's in there and they can throw their name in the hat. Shout out to my sisters, Pam M and Princess Fang. Go check them out. I'll probably put their information in the description below as well in this video. Also shout out to Rena Sanders, very loyal supporter, always helping me out when I do the live streams. Also to the brothers, What's the Sneaker, SHP Finest, got JJ all day. All of them over there, they doing their thing, going live. Go check those bros out. And last but not least, gotta go shout out to the homie Money Run Clothing, SNOOCHS Customs. I am that dude. I know he been busy, but he provided me the track on the intro. And last but not least, the home team, my sis, she keep us in line. 313 Retro Queen. Go check her out. She's trying to get to 500. And the bros, PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF. You can do them a big favor by running their playlist. They just need them watch time hours, and it'll be all good. You dig? Now, let's jump right into this review. As you can see, got this black box, gold Jordan. You got a size 9, Air Jordan 1 low. You either love it or you hate it. Official colorway, Sport Royal Black White. You see you got your QR code, and you got this other QR code here. Suggested retail price, $90. Then you go in there, you got your stamp and ramp. You gotta have the receipt on deck to make sure you don't get the hook. You see that? I got $75. Because I have got the hook before, and just good thing it wasn't too bad. It happens to the best of us, because in the shoe game, there's no school for authenticity. So nobody is a guru on shoes, in my opinion, because you're not going to get a Bachelor of Associates in authentication, right? So without that being said, bam, back to slam. This is a dope shoe in my opinion. Look at that ass and that side view there. We roll it on the bottom. You got that Royal. So for those of you who missed out, you can get these dope for the summer. Nike on the bottom. You got that trademark R on the toe box. The blue could have been a little bit better, but for 70 bucks, what can I complain about? Got a little bit of tumble in there. You see here, you got 23 right here with that blue. You got nothing, so just nylon here with your black extend Jumpman. You got blue on your laces, coming around on that side there. You got a little tumble, very minimal. You see you got your stitch in there, your black check on the back. You got Air Jordan etched in the back. Stitching looks pretty good. On the medial side, white. I mean, I like the shoe. It's pretty clean, very clean. Not official pickup. I picked up somebody else. I'm gonna go grab mine later on today. Just wanted to get this review out the way. Inside, you got that blue. Up here, you got another QR code. If you haven't seen how to do the QR code, refer back to my Jordan 1 Phantom vid. And they got all of this, and you got your production date is 3/20/19 to 5/13/19. So it took them about 2 months for production of this shoe. Now, what we all know and love, the Litty Lit meter. So on the Litty Lit meter, I get us about a 4.6 out of 5. You feel me? 4.6 out of 5. What you guys think? Let me know what you think about this in the comment suggestion below. Dope shoe for the summer. I know a lot of Jordans have come out. Yes, I gotta admit I was wrong about the cool grade 4s. They are sitting, which is very disheartening, but that's okay. I might be getting ready for the double up. But again, let me know what you think about this shoe. Like I said, 4.6 out of 5. Leave a comment, suggestion below. Thanks for all the love and support. Stay on deck for that my 3K giveaway coming very, very soon. Thank you for all the support. Again, it's hashtag Brick by Brick. Peace.
It's the South's favorite mixtape supplier. DJ Ant Low is in the building.